Featured images make your website pop, but how do you add them? Let me show you. Featured images, what are they and why would you want one? Now you're looking at this page, you can see a standard template post there, and you've got an image in the middle. The image has not actually been added as a image within the blog itself. It's been added as a feature image, which gives it more authority, if you like, over the article, because this image will actually be used in search engine results when it wants to do a summary of your page. This will be the actual image of your post or your page, so it's important to have the correct image, and also it will take over any other images that you put in the post as the main image that is used when displaying your page. So yeah, it's very important. But how do you add them in? There's a few ways. You can simply click into your post. There's a set feature image function on the right here, and then you can just select the image that you want. So for example, I've gone for that one there. Just click on it. You can then add, and this is quite good actually for your SEO, if you add some descriptions in there, some alt text, a caption, what they'll do is if anybody's searching for an image of say a motorcycle in this instance, or a wheel, they'll actually be referencing your page, and they may actually bring traffic to your website inadvertently. So it's always good to have that filled out whenever you can. It's obviously time consuming, but one of those things that is worth doing. So yeah, set the image, click on it there, hit the button set featured. That's now set the image as the featured image for this website, and that will pop it in as a main image to begin with, and then your post just goes underneath. If you have a theme that references many posts, say you've got a main page with lots of posts, lots of different blog posts, it will some of the themes will actually capture this image and use that on your front page, which is quite useful, and it makes it look a lot better. But this will be the image that you use. You can obviously add additional images to your posts, but this is the main image of that represents your article. Another way to add it, so if I just quickly remove that, you can go up to here. This is a little bit more tricky in the sense you can come unstuck sometimes. But if you put in there, start typing featured, you can do it from this part of the WordPress, and it'll put a actual image block in there, and you can go ahead and I'll have that one this time, pop it in there, just quickly save that. But the difference here is that if you view the post, you can end up with duplicates. So there's what you'd expect, and then below it is the image again. And this isn't always a desired outcome, and you get a lot of people asking questions. Why have I got two images? How do I get rid of it? They get rid of it and it deletes both. The simple answer is you can go back into this area. I mean, why would you want that? You'd want that because maybe you want a bit of consistency. So you go, that's a picture of, say, a treadmill, and then you might want the same image of your treadmill in the post as well, and that's fine because you can add text in here, you can push it down the page. However, most people want a nice image there, and then they want to use different images in their post. So what you can do is just go back to the image, and you can actually just click on it, go to these three little dots here, and you can actually hide it, and then that actually gets rid of it. So like I say, it's a bit of a tricky one because you're adding it in from here, which is the normal place you go for all of your add-ins and your whatever you need to do. But the drawback is that you end up with two images, so it's not ideal really if it's going to add in things and then you've hidden them, and then you may struggle to re-find them. So the correct way, I think, is to just add it over here and then add your images in. But if you're someone who just wants to keep things simple, you can add them in from this section of WordPress. Okay, any questions, let me know below as usual, and I'll try to respond to them. Any other update videos you want on it, let me know, and I can expand on the subject. All right, thank you. See you again.